Okay guys, so I'm going to show you real quick how to do the little booklet. If you would like to make a little booklet, basically you need 4 sheets of paper. You can use the same color or you can use different colors if you have colored paper. You want to line the papers up, you want to lay them on top of each other. So at the bottom you have these little tabs at the bottom. Notice my 4 sheets of paper here. And then I'm going to fold down from the top. When I fold down from the top though, the little tricky spot about this is to have enough tabs to do these properties of exponents that you're doing this for. You got to have 2 tabs in the middle that are the same color. So when you fold it down from the top, you got to make sure they're the same color in the middle. Now, I do have one that's completed here so you can see what that looks like in a more neater version here. But this one is completed. Notice the 2 tabs in the middle that are the same color. I folded it down. Now, I apologize guys, the video keeps kind of pausing and stopping on me for some reason, so I'm not exactly sure where I finished off. But here's my example of my completed little booklet. You can do this if you want to. You don't have to make one of these. This is an optional thing where you can put the title up here, the properties of exponents, and then on each tab you can put one of your properties. You'll have 7 of them, and then you'll open it up and have the definition of the property. So you'll have the property on the tab, like this yellow tab. You'll open it up, and then you'll have all the definition and the example. You don't have to do that. It's an option, but if you want to make one of these, you can do that. If you want to wait till you get back on Monday, I can show you how to make one, but you do need some colored paper if you're going to do that. Or 4 sheets of plain white paper, and I can get you those if I need to. So that's how you make the little booklet if you want to. I'll talk about that in the video when I give you the properties of exponents. So I'll send 2 videos.